Okushabira Omugyenzi Obadiah Rushabuza kwakorera kanisa ya All Saints Omuneneserezo Kampala kandi kwahikaho enkuyanja y'abantu n'abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe.
In every heart, Lord, and Lord be glorified.
Ogu yaasiimwa ahabw'okuba enkunzi y'entunguuka omu ihanga. Obadiah Ntebekine Rushabuza abirariye bamwe mu ishengero wa Shema County North omu Shema District.
After the Honorable Minister has laid her wreath, I will quickly move to the friends of the late Ntebekine.
Gatwaza mu mbaga nyingi konka rahanga n'okutangaza akasibura abantu atari kukimanya kunaza kufa. Twaza ahantu yabaramutya twaza okuyarugayo konka kutwahikire aha last function twashitamaho twaheza n'okurya ntuganira n'abantu pura omuntu yantera nyowe kanshitamuka ati yabaki kuza kuguruka nshanga Obadiah ari aha nakaba.
Our father was a man of great faith, wisdom and integrity. He was a hard-working man.
Abanyadini abarumbishopo wahumwire yona mwesigwa katonene bagamba ha Omugyenzi Obadiah Rushabuza nk'omuntu obire natina ruhanga kandi arukorere kanisa birungi.
I had been with Obadiah that previous weekend in Bushenyi. There were 3 functions that they were referring to yesterday. And it happened that in those 3 functions that Honorable Naomi talked about, I was there.
Paul's letter to Timothy, the second letter, chapter 2, verse 20. It says, but in a great house, there are not only vessels of gold and silver, but also of wood and clay. Some for honor and some for dishonor.
And when we interacted with the family, I came to know Obadiah very much. And I think he's the one who also had a forex bureau where I used to go to be sent by the Archbishop.
Ishengero lyajwekerwa omuhezi wa Speaker Thomas Tayebwa kandi yaasiimwa Omugyenzi Obadiah ahabw'okukorera entunguuka n'okutiina ruhanga.
N'ekintu kikuru twantugamba ebi konka ekibibiri ekugambaho ekikuru kugira ngu Omukama nawampeereza obugiiga butakanyebesa iseena ryawe. Obadiah akaba omugiiga konka atareebire owamuhiire obugiiga. He was always humble before God.
Ombere gw'Omugyenzi guhikire omu maka gye nyamwebazyo kandi Speaker w'ishengero Anita Mong ahikire omu keegi yaraganisa okubakwatiraho omu by'okuziika. Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.